Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix can't attach files in Gmail error on Android devices. So if you are also getting this kind of error while sending any attachment on your Gmail, this video guide will surely help you. So for that, the first solution is to restart your device once. So for that, simply press power plus volume up button and then select restart. So after restarting a device, now try to send the attachment and check if this resolves the issue. If not, you need to also check your internet connection is stable or not. If there is any kind of internet problem, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and after that try to send the attachments once again in your Gmail and check if this solution resolves the issue. If not, then once you should force stop your Gmail. So for that, hold the Gmail icon, then go to app info. Now click on force stop option over here and then click on OK. So after force stopping the app, now check if it works. If not, you should clear the cache and data of the app. So for that, simply go to storage and cache option and then click on clear cache option over here. After this, you should also check whether there is permission access or not. So for that, go to the permissions and check if everything is accessible or not, or you have given permission to access the calendar, camera, contacts, microphone, notification, phone or not. So after allowing permission, now check if the issue is resolved or not. Another thing that you should check while sending the attachment is to verify the file size and type. Gmail has a limit on attachment size. So for standard Gmail accounts, the current limit is 25 MB. So make sure you check the file size and the type of file, and after that try to send the attachment via your Gmail and check if it's sending now or not. Make sure to that your file doesn't exceed the limit. Next is to update your Gmail app. So for that, go to Google Play Store and here's in the search bar, search for Gmail, then search, and here you need to check if there is any update available. So in my case, an update is available, so you simply need to click on update option over here, and once the Gmail is updated, now try to send the attachment and then check if this helps to fix the issue you are coming across. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Gmail. So simply go to Google Play Store and then in the search bar you need to search for Gmail, and after that you need to click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling, restart your device once, and after that again go to Google Play Store and install Gmail and then try to check if the issue is resolved or not. Basically this kind of issue occurs when the limit exceeds on your Gmail. So make sure you don't exceed the limit, or check the file size before sending any attachment on Gmail, and after that try to send and see the error is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.